Hey guys, it's Bortone, and I want to show you how to do upload defaults on YouTube. And the reason why this is good and easy is because when you create your upload defaults, every time you go to upload a new video on YouTube, it will already have your keywords and your description in there. So in other words, if I go to this video here and I go to my description, all of this information here and all of these links were already pre-populated, as were the keywords. And so let me show you how to make a video with video upload defaults. Go to your channel, and then from here go to YouTube Studio, this blue button on the right. That will bring you to your dashboard. And once your YouTube dashboard opens, you can go over here to the left and then go down to settings, way down here on the lower left. On settings, you're going to see general, channel, upload defaults, and community. So what we want is upload defaults. And upload defaults allows you to create, you probably don't want to do the title because that's going to change with each video. But the description here, again, writing descriptions with keywords can help your viewers find your videos more easily through search. So this is a place where you can put a generic description of your video, and you've got 5,000 characters. So what I do, taking an example from the late night talk shows, is I put in a bio, I put in a freebie link, I put in Facebook, Twitter, I put in links for my main website, other videos. So you can put a whole host of stuff in here, and that's going to be in every video that you upload. So when I go to upload a new video, this stuff's already there. All I have to do is go in and put the 2 or 3 line description of that particular video. You can also change the visibility. I have mine public by default, and then you can add some tags as well. So every time you upload a video, you'll at least start with these tags or keywords, and then you can add to them from that. Click save when you're done, and you'll be good to go. You can also go to advanced settings. I don't mess with this too much. This just tells you what category in general you want, standard YouTube license, standard language, and all that stuff. Let's not worry about that. Let's just stick with basic settings and upload defaults. So every time you upload a new video, all of this will be pre-populated and save you a ton of time. Hope this helps. More soon. And if you need more information, visit loubortone.com or check out my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.